Hi. So this is a question from CAT 1997. A student gets an aggregate of 60% marks in 5 subjects in the ratio 9 is to 10 is to 9 is to 8 is to 7 is to 6. That's the ratio. If the passing marks are 50% of the maximum marks and each subject has the same maximum marks, in how many subjects did he pass the examination? Okay. So the ratio is what? 10 is to 9 is to 8 is to 7 is to 6. Let us assume that his marks are 100, 90, 80, 70 and 60. This is the same ratio as this. So how much total marks does he score? So we have to add it up. We have to add it. We add out 100 plus 90, 190, 270, 340, 400. So he scores 400 marks in 5 subjects altogether. But this is what? 60% marks. So if 60% is 400, how much is 100%? It's 400 by 60 into 100. 60% is 400 total marks that he has scored. So the maximum marks will be how much? This much. So if we solve, it's 400 by 0.6, that is approximately 667. Now this is the maximum marks. This is the maximum marks or the total marks. Here we know that the maximum marks and each subject has the same maximum marks. So how many papers are there? 5. So each paper will have a maximum mark of this by 5. So it's 1, 3, and it's approximately, again it's just an approximation, 133 or 133 marks. This is the maximum of each subject. This is the maximum of each subject because the total maximum is 667 and all are same. Okay, same maximum marks it is given here. It's given same maximum mark. So each subject has maximum mark of 133. We know that the passing mark is 50%. So 50% of this, this is what? 133 by 2. That is approximately 66.5. That's 66.5. This is the passing mark because we know that passing mark is 50% of the maximum mark. We know the maximum mark is 133. So the passing mark is 66.5. The question is, in how many subjects did he pass the examination? We see that in 4 subjects he has got more than 66.5. Only in 1 subject he has got 60, which is less than 6. So he has passed in 4 papers. That's the answer. So what we did, we assumed the marks and we found out the total maximum marks. We know that the maximum marks are equal. There are 5 subjects. So we found out the maximum mark of each subject. We know that the passing mark is 50% or half. So the passing mark of each is 66.5. And in only 1 subject out of 5, he has scored less than 66.5. So he has passed in 4 papers. The answer is 4. Thank you.